off this way because you guys, I'm so not motivated today. I just got a package from American Eagle. My daughter's gonna open it up. I'm so not motivated today, you guys. Like, I can't even. So I figured, well, I'm not motivated. Let me get the camera out and document this. So maybe I can get motivated and motivate you guys. So first, what am I gonna do to get motivated? I'm gonna drink coffee. Then I'm gonna put something in the crock pot. Then I'm gonna try to organize and clean out my bathroom a little bit. So I'm hoping that this becomes some sort of motivational vlog. Yeah, I got some yoga, like some leggings. I'll show them to you. American Eagle. This is staged, y'all. This literally just happened. They had like 60% off, and I got some leggings because I have just accepted the fact that leggings are life. Ruby, I really don't need you to. And then I got this really cute tank. Okay. This here is an extra large, and I've wanted one so long. It's from Target, and it was $13. Ruby, get off of it. So let me show you these leggings. I got some from Aerie and American Eagle. Cute. And they were $9. So I figured it was a win-win. Let me show them to you. So I got these. Sorry, let me turn the light on for you guys. There. So I got these because I love olive green, everything. Are these? Yeah, these are Aerie. These are the medium. Hold on, let me look. They were $9. Chill, play, move. Chill, play, move. Feel comfy. And I thought these would look really cute with my black Adidas shoes. And then I got these, another. And these are like a burgundy pair, same $9. They were on clearance. I only buy clearance stuff, you guys. And then I got this. This is American Eagle, and I wanted to wear this with the black leggings. I'm wearing the black leggings, the Chill Play Move black leggings. Yep. See those battle wounds, y'all? Those are stretch marks from my daughter. I will forever have them, and I'm proud. So these are the black ones. They're exactly like these, and they're high-waisted, which I love. I'll show them to you in the mirror. But, yeah, I love this because it gets really hot in Florida, and I just, you know. So this was originally $29.95, and I got it for $11. Again, American Eagle, and I'll show you. I got a medium, and I love this color. So here's the item number if you guys want to know anything. So let me show you these real quick. They're not soft like LuLaRoe's, you know, that buttery soft. They're not. They're regular leggings. But what I like is they don't, like when you bend over, they don't show anything through. And so I like that. Let me pull them up a little bit. This is Isabella, Drew, Liam, Josiah, and Noah that I have shared my body with. So I will always have it. And you know what? I'm proud of it. I have come to the point where I'm just proud of my baby bump. I'm proud of my stretch marks. And I'm proud of my baby bump. So this is my outfit today. Super cute, right? Not really. We had an early appointment today, so that's what I look like. So like I said, I'm going to get some coffee going. I'm going to throw something in the crock pot real quick. So you'll get a little meal. I'm always looking for new things to cook because I get really bored with the same old stuff. Then I'm going to try to clean out my bathroom. I wanted to show you guys real quick what the shirt looked like on. Let me turn this light on. Sorry, guys. I like it because it covers the butt. And it's not super thick. I got in medium. I could have gotten a small, but I like my shirts. Like if I wanted to tighten it up a little bit, just tie it right here, which is really cute. I like that. I like how it's got the slit right there. This is really nice. And you can see that you can see my black leggings through it. It's not sheer, but you know, I like it. And I'm thinking I could tie this to give it a little more shape. But I like it. I really do like it for $11, and it's the whole waffle knit that everyone's loving. Let me show you. Yeah, I like it a lot. I think it's a winner for 11 bucks. They're not that cheap at Target, y'all. So this is all Aerie, American Eagle. So I am going to make like a copycat Panera Bread turkey chili. It's so good, you guys. So I've got the turkey defrosting, about 2 pounds of turkey. What I will do is I will brown all the turkey, and then half of it will go for my dish, and then the other half I just feed my kids throughout the week because they're picky eaters, and I am happy with giving them meat and cheese roll-ups with turkey meat. So that's what I do. So I'm just gonna put all this stuff in here. turkey chili and you love it. I will also add onion powder, garlic powder, and cumin. You do it to taste. I like a lot of cumin, but it's really up to your taste. I always drain my beans.
I have to watch more videos.
That's it. I got it on high for like 5 hours because it's almost 1 now, and I'm just gonna keep it up there. And then when the meat is done and I'm done browning it, I'll put it in there, let it do its thing. It's so good, you guys. And it's really good if you put like, my husband likes Fritos with his. I don't do any with mine. I like a little dollop of sour cream. He does cheese, sour cream, Fritos, the whole 9 yards. This is so easy, and it tastes exactly like Panera Bread's turkey chili. You have to try it.
I'm hungry.
Okay, so the bathroom's super gross. My son said that he couldn't get his pants off quick enough and he peed a little on them. He's 6 years old, not a big deal. But then when I went to go sit down, I noticed there was pee all over my floor. So, you know, moms and boys, you get it. So I'm gonna clean this bathroom up a little bit. And like, I was trying to do this last night, but I went to the gym and said, yay me. And I got my coffee, so you guys are just hanging out with me while I organize this thing real quick. Let me just start with a little coffee. I also gave the boys haircuts last night, so there's hair. And let me know if you like vlogs like this. I always feel like I have to have some huge event before I vlog with you guys, like with a day in a life, there has to be something going on. But honestly, like if you're like me, you don't have something going on every single day, but I want to get a video out with you guys. I want to connect. So let me know if you, thumbs up if you like vlogs of just like real day in the life. I just don't want to feel like there's so much pressure to have all these super exciting things going on, because that's just not life. And that's not my life. Maybe it's your life, but it's not my life. When I do, I'm definitely going to take you along with me. But if we have like, the most exciting thing today is getting some leggings in the mail and having a second cup of coffee, like, do you guys want to go along with me? Let me know in the comments below if you like these real mommy day in the lives. I don't know, like, do you guys have super exciting lives? Like, I do want to say that I am not wearing my True & Company bra today. They have ruined me. I'm not even kidding you. I don't get anything for this. They have ruined me. They are the best bras I've ever had in my life. I'm wearing a Soma bra right now and I can't stand it. I don't even know where to start. It's so gross in here. I think I'm just gonna start throwing crap away. What you do. So I decided to go through my makeup drawer. I've already gone through this a couple of months ago. I did not film it. This was months ago though. So I didn't have a lot to get rid of, but I figured it was worth going through. I got rid of some things. And if you guys are wondering, I got the acrylic organizer from Marshall's. It was $24.99. I got it quite some time ago. They still have them. I got my daughter one for Christmas. Baby, I'm insane. Oh, I just want you to stay. Okay, so I have to now, you guys want a real life clean or a real life organized with me? Now I have to brown the meat for the turkey. Back to organizing. My daughter just brought me the cutest kitty socks. We love socks, and there were some socks that she got from Christmas from a friend. They have cats on them. She knew how much I was sweating on them, so she gave me 2 pairs. So sweet.
want you to stay with me. When you're with me, I can't breathe. You are all I'll ever need, ever need. I want you to stay with me.
So for the longest time, I would roll all of my washcloths, and honestly, I just have come to the conclusion that I am not in that season where I can do that consistently. So I'm just going to fold them like normal and put them back. So I got this idea on Pinterest so long ago, probably 6 years ago. I just got one of these bins and labeled it, and this is how I separate and organize all of our medications and things that we need. I love doing this because it's really easy to find, and I keep it in my linen closet. So when the kids need something, they have to come to me. I don't keep any types of prescription pills or anything really out to where they can get it, except for like aspirin and stuff, but still it's high enough to where I can get it. So, and like I had mentioned before with the washcloths, if you do kind of what, you want to be disciplined and you want to push yourself to strive to be better, but if you do what's natural, it'll be easier to be more consistent. Organization comes very easy for me, so, but I have to do things that make it easy to stay organized, because it's really easy to get unorganized. Just like having all of this labeled and whatnot, it's just a lifesaver. Label everything if you have to. It will really help you and the people in your family put things back where you want it to go.
I know my circles, I know my name. Another sequel is on the way. Oh,
through some of our linens and getting rid of what we don't need. I don't find myself really needing more than 1 or 2 sets, so I'm going to get rid of the extra, and I will always donate it, so it's not just going into trash. I won't put anything in the trash unless it's broken, or like underwear and stuff like that. That I do not donate, but everything else I hope that it finds a home where it will spark some joy for somebody else.
I'm out of pain. We're closing circles. We got no end. Another sequel about to land. Oh, my love, reform and rise to be so free. In time we seize infinity. Hello, my heart beats. Hello again. Between the worries, we head for land. I will be fighting to hold the line. We're never hiding.
Now onto the shower. I am going to spray down the kaboom and let that sit while I get some other things organized and cleaned up a little bit, and let that sit for a bit so we can get some of that nasty grime off of the shower floor and walls. So I'm going to take care of the sinks, my sink and my husband's sink.
And I know there is a reason. Now we're ready to be whole. Yeah, ready to be whole.
I am going to quickly go through his under his sink and get rid of anything that is expired or he no longer needs. Like I had mentioned earlier in the video, I've done this a couple of months ago, so there wasn't a ton of things to get rid of, but it's definitely good to kind of like revisit it and just make sure you clear everything out.
And you will be going strong, my love. And I'll be coming home.
So the kaboom has set for quite some time while I was cleaning the rest of the bathroom, and I'm going to take this little brush. I think I got it from the dollar store. I cannot remember at this point. It's got a little suction on the bottom, and I am going to start scrubbing all these little hexagon tiles. They get so gross and grimy, but this takes it right off. I find this very satisfying, honestly, and I love spraying it. So I find this to be somewhat relaxing, and it's a really good arm workout.
Looking for my mother's eyes as I'm staying close to the mirror. A lock of gold, a secret smile, little things I remember. Place a hand upon my heart as her, she was a believer. Sometimes I can feel her arms holding me as forever. Time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you.
Now my favorite part is rinsing it all away.
I see in you my mother's eyes, and I lay your head to my shoulder. A lock of gold, a secret smile. I will tell you when you get older. I place a hand upon your heart. Every beat is taking me over, and I will hold you in my arms. Pretend we'll stay here forever.
Now the shower is all clean and it feels so good. I don't know about you guys, but usually I will just clean the shower when I am taking a shower, but I did not want to look at it anymore today. And honestly, I knew if I conquered something on my to-do list, it would motivate me. As I mentioned in the very beginning of this video, I had no motivation. Sometimes it doesn't matter how much coffee I drink, which I usually won't drink more than 2 cups. I just don't have motivation. But I knew if I just started doing something, then the rest would follow, and that happens every single time.
Time changes everything, and everything will change in time.
So now I'm making a little pit stop after sending that off to the trash and going to transfer some clothes.
Change you.
I hope you guys are enjoying this realistic day in the life with me. I can organize, I can clean, I can put a crock pot meal in, but life still has to happen and clothes still need to be transferred. I am coming to the end of this video. The bathroom is clean, the crock pot meal is doing its thing, and honestly I feel much more motivated. So now I'm going to go edit this video so it can be up today. So thank you guys so much. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you are new, don't leave without hitting that subscribe button. It doesn't cost a thing, but I don't want you to miss any videos. I will see y'all in the next one, posting videos like this every single week, as well as all of my cleaning motivation and everything else in between. I love you guys so much, and I appreciate your time, and thank you for spending it with me. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!
You as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry.